Hey everybody, I'm making this video about something that my grandson, Braylon, brought to my attention. Thank you, baby. He was doing a YouTube search for one of my videos that I had made several months ago. This is the video, IPTV Extreme Setup. What he found was that another YouTuber had also made a video about the same thing, and that's fine, except it looks like he decided to use my thumbnail. Here's a screenshot of the search. Y'all see this mess? My video was made 9 months ago. His video 1 month ago. I know this is my thumbnail because, well, I made it. It's just a simple, ugly, plain text thumbnail. Nothing creative at all. It's not a masterpiece of artwork, but dude, it's the principle of the thing. It took me about 1 minute using YouTube's editing tool. Are you that lazy and unoriginal? So you just borrowed mine? You didn't ask. If you would have asked, I probably would have helped you out, but you wanted to be shady. That's not cool. Maybe I will just go change your channel name. How about this name? Or how about I just kindly come on your videos, leave a comment, and let you know what's up. You have 5,000 subs, so I'm pretty sure you know it's wrong. I'm trying to be nice. I don't want to call you out of your name, so I will just refer to you as Mr. Tunisia. You need to get your own and take mine down. I hope when you came onto my channel to snatch my thumbnail that you at least left me a thumbs up. If you see this video, Mr. Tunisia, do the right thing and don't be a jerk. I could probably understand him taking it if it would have been some fancy artwork on the thumbnail, but it was seriously just some plain text that literally took less than a minute. Technically, it was a part of my content too, because the image was made from a frame in my video. But it's all good as long as it don't happen again. I want to give a great big shout out to both of my grandsons, Clavin and Braylon. Good looking out, boys. And I'm calling all gamers. Their links will be in the description of this video. They are ages 11 and 10. The oldest will be 12 next month. And y'all already know there's some Fortnite playing addicts. They would be happy to have some new subscribers. I promised them a shout out, so there you go, boys. I know they are going to be checking out this video to see if I made good on my promise. Okay, so I'm going to end this video now. If you've made it this far, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.